Welcome to the new time accounting system. As you know, we'll start the new time accounting system September 1st. However, because the new time accounting system depends upon a sender, and the sender rolls over September 1st as well, the time accounting system will not be available to you for about 4 business days after September 1st. In the meantime, if you would, keep up with your time account. You can keep up with your time accounting system either with a spreadsheet, or you can still keep up with it in MIS. Even though it will not roll over from MIS, you can at least check your error report, and then when it does become available to you, you can copy and paste. You'll know that the time accounting system will be available as soon as I send an email to you. So the minute it's available, you'll get that email from me. So let's get into the new time accounting system. The way you access it is from the intranet, and you'll see that it's on the right hand side, and it says time accounting, and you'll click on it. Then you'll log in with your email address and your ESC7 password. So there's no extra passwords to keep up with. It's always going to be your ESC7 password. If you were to change your ESC7 password, as they encourage us to do from time to time, this password will also change to that same password. Once you click the login button, you will see this screen. You can click the blue button, Add Entry, or you can click the New Entry button. Either one will get you to the same screen. When you do that, you will see this screen. And of course, you would click the drop down here, which is your entry date, and then you can put in your support time and your travel time. You'll notice those are drop down menus, and the minutes are in 15-minute increments. So no more do you have to type in the number of minutes and accidentally type in 20 minutes. It will be a choice between 15, 30, and 45 minutes. Same goes true with your travel time. Next is your funding. What's unique about your funding is that it is pulled from a sender. And because it's pulled from a sender, the only accounts you are going to see here are going to be just those accounts that which you are paid from. So if you're only paid from 3 accounts, those are the only accounts you are paid from. And it's going to tell you the percentage of each one of those accounts. In my case, I'm only paid from 1 account, so it shows that this is the account I'm paid from, and it's 100%. Next, you'll click the function. So the function is going to be the same as what you would see on your function code chart. Again, it's a drop-down menu. You would select your function. You'll notice it's in alphabetical order. The numbers on the back side of the word. Next, you will click your activity. Now, what's unique about the activity is that you'll only see the activities that pertain to that function and that pertains to you. You won't see all the activities that pertain to that function, only those activities that pertains to you, which kind of narrows it down and makes it kind of nice. If you don't know what these activities mean and you need details, the details can be found in the function code chart. And the function code chart can be found on the intranet under time accounting. Next, you would select your region, district, and campus. Now it's going to default to Region 7 district, and Region 7 campus. But in this case, I selected that I did a Tech Assist, and it was an external customer, and I did a Tech Assist for Pine Tree, and it was on the Birch Elementary campus. So again, it's a drop-down menu, and you can press the keyboard letter, and it will take you down to. You don't have to scroll all the way down. You can start typing in the district or the campus, and it will take you down to that section of the alphabet. Next, you'll put in a team code if you have a team code. The team code is department specific, so you'll need to get with your director as to what team codes are available to you. You'll only see the team code that is applicable to you. And again, this is just department specific. These are codes that your director has chosen to collect data that they want for their department. Next, obviously, are the comments. So you would type in any comments that are necessary to go with your time accounting. And then, of course, you would put in, if it's applicable, put in your role and your count. If you have more than one job role, click the plus role button, and then you can add more job roles and more count. Of course, if you chose a function such as 05 planning, you would not put anything in the role and count. Finally, you would click the add button to complete this entry. And when you do, this is what you would see. Here's your complete entry. It shows everything you just entered in. And it would also have these buttons here. Notice it has the edit button, the delete button, and the copy button, which is great because if you make a mistake, if you see that, wait a minute, I put something in the travel time and I didn't mean to. So you can click the edit button and take off that 15 minutes travel time. Or if you decide you want to delete that whole entry, you can click the delete button. When you do click the delete button, you'll get this pop-up box because it wants to make sure, are you sure you want to delete this entry after you typed in all that stuff? And you would select yes or no. And finally, you'll have a copy button. And that copies the line and once it copies the line, it'll place it above there. You'll notice, which is different from MIS, is that the entries the current one is going to be on top, and the ones that are in the past are going to be on the bottom. You'll also notice that you'll be able to view your time accounting by the day, by the week, and by the month, which is kind of cool. You'll also have at the bottom, we'll have your totals for your support time, for your travel time, and for your total time. And that's all there is to time accounting. If you have any questions, please email me at terrickson@esc7.net or give me a call at 6956. Please do not call me before time accounting is available to you. Watch for my email. I'll let you know when that is. Thank you.